Maintenance on the electrical components of V35 should be performed by a licensed electrician. Failure to follow these wiring instructions may result in serious injury or death from shock, fire, or explosion. To service or replace the capacitor on V35, you will need a 4mm hex wrench, a 5mm hex wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, lithium grease, and needle nose pliers. Start the process by turning the pump off and disconnecting the pump from power. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the nozzle cover. Then remove the switch junction cover using a 5mm hex wrench. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the switch assembly from the housing. The switch does not need to be disconnected. Remove the wires from their organizer clips and remove the plastic cover by squeezing the areas shown to disengage the retaining clips. If replacement parts are needed, they can be purchased through a local distributor or ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of the pump with your smartphone. Disconnect the two brown wires from the old capacitor and place them onto the inner two tabs of the new capacitor as shown. Place the new capacitor into the plastic cover and run the wires back through the retaining slots in the plastic cover. Replace the plastic cover by rolling the capacitor and plastic cover against the metal supports in the bottom of the housing, and then snapping the plastic tabs into the wall of the metal housing. Reinstall the switch assembly and replace the wires into their original organizer clips as shown. Apply lithium grease to the mating surface of the electrical cover plate . Then replace the electrical cover plate, ensuring the internal toggle switch and switch actuator are aligned properly. Reinstall the nozzle cover. Finally, reapply power to the pump and test to ensure functionality. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.